Alright everyone, buckle up. Microsoft released the Windows 11 24H2 update last month, and it's been making more noise than a GPU under full load, and not in a good way. Users are reporting all sorts of issues, from game crashes to system slowdowns. For those of you who jumped right in headfirst into the deep end, don't worry, we've got your back. We'll be looking at the most common issues plaguing users, and more importantly, we're going to give you the fixes to get your system back on track. First on the list, and let's be real, this is a big one for a lot of you gaming performance. We've seen a ton of reports from users saying their games are acting weirder than a three-legged dog at a frisbee competition. I'm talking about everything from stuttering frame rates to full-on crashes to desktop sometimes right in the middle of a crucial raid. We're talking big hitters like Cyberpunk, Elden Ring, even good old CS:GO, all struggling under the weight of 24H2. First off, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Driver updates are like the magical elixir of the tech world. They can fix a whole laundry list of problems. If that doesn't work, some users have had luck by actually rolling back to older drivers. Sometimes you gotta go backward to move forward, right? Okay, so maybe you're not a hardcore gamer, maybe you just use your PC for, actual work and stuff. Plenty of users are reporting general system slowdowns, things like sluggish boot times, programs taking forever to open, even just moving the mouse around feels like swimming through peanut butter. One potential culprit for these performance woes could be background processes going haywire. 24H2 might have messed with some system settings, causing certain apps to gobble up more resources than a room full of hungry YouTubers at a buffet. So, it's worth checking your task manager, see what's hogging your CPU and RAM, and maybe put those resource-hungry programs on a diet. Alright, imagine this. You fire up your trusty PC, freshly upgraded with the 24H2 update, you go to open up your favorite video editing software and bam! Crashes. Won't open. It's like your computer suddenly developed a severe case of feline allergy. Well, sadly, this isn't just a hypothetical scenario, it's a reality for many users who are now facing app compatibility issues. The good news is, most of these compatibility issues are probably fixable. First things first, try the classic turn it off and on again solution. Restarting your computer can work wonders. If that fails, see if there's an update available for the problematic app. Developers are usually pretty quick to iron out any major compatibility kinks. Okay, we've talked about gaming issues, performance drops, and app compatibility problems, but wait, there's more. Because apparently, Microsoft decided to throw in a whole grab bag of random glitches and bugs into the 24H2 update just for fun. We're talking about things like screen flickering, audio cutting out at random intervals, and even the dreaded blue screen of death making a comeback tour. Now the bad news is there's no one-size-fits-all solution for these random glitches. They could be caused by anything from driver conflicts to corrupted system files. Alright, so by now, you're probably thinking, DigitalMizzle, you're making me regret ever wanting to update my computer. And hey, I don't blame you. But before you throw your PC out the window, take a deep breath, because it's not all doom and gloom. First and foremost, back up your data. Before you even think about clicking that download and install button, make sure you have a recent backup of all your important files. Next up, if you haven't already updated, consider hitting the pause button for a bit. Give Microsoft some time to iron out the worst of the bugs and release some patches. Remember, when it comes to Windows updates, being fashionably late is always better than being an early adopter. And there you have it, folks, the good, the bad, and the buggy of the Windows 11 24H2 update. Do anything with your computer at your own risk. Always take a backup before making major changes. If you face any serious issues, let me know and comment below. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates and fixes. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.